Everyone knows how painful it can be to lose a key or valuable employee. The disruption of losing a key player from your team can reverberate long after they're gone, and the loss of those skills and the productivity can really set your business back. Plus, there's added pressure on the coworkers to pick up the slack from losing a coworker and maybe even a friend. And then comes the challenges of locating, hiring, and onboarding a qualified replacement. It can be a huge distraction from your business. And of course, you'll have to kiss a few frogs before you find another great employee for that job too. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the most important thing that you can do to stabilize your workforce, reduce turnover, and grow a more stable and valuable business. Hi, my name is Art Getz. I am a flagrant entrepreneur, a Fortune 500 founder, and well-schooled in the art of business. So think of me as your Chief Strategy Officer on your journey to creating a big, beautiful business that will make all your dreams come true. Please subscribe to this channel and you'll get me as your personal advisor and experts on all things business. So just post your questions and comments in the section and I'll give you my best advice for free. So please subscribe now. We have some really great programs coming up that you won't want to miss. You know, as a business buyer, we really loved it when companies had a long, tenured workforce because it added confidence to the numbers and it provided a nice, stable base for us to build on. And when it comes to keeping employees happy, cash compensation is always number one, but right after that comes great health benefits. Providing employees with great health benefits that they value is one of the most sticky things you can do to hold on to your good people long term. But until very recently, if you wanted to provide employee health benefits for your people or you needed group health insurance to comply with the Affordable Care Act, you were pretty much stuck with really expensive, high-deductible group health insurance. It's hard to believe, but until January 2020, group health insurance was the only way that an employer could provide health benefits. It's crazy, I know, a government-sponsored monopoly, and it's been that way for nearly 60 years. But all that changed in 2020 when the IRS fixed the ACA rules to give employers a health insurance alternative called the Individual Coverage HRA, or ICHRA for short. At the time, government experts predicted that more than 800,000 businesses would replace group health insurance with this new approach to employee health benefits. That's massive! What a huge prediction, and it's just not something to be taken lightly. At a minimum, every business owner needs to know how to take advantage of what's been called a once-in-a-lifetime change in the federal tax code, specifically written to help average business owners offer great employee health benefits. It's really exciting because now any employer can use these new ICHRA rules to offer more affordable health benefits that employees will love and without any group health insurance hassles or headaches. Heck, you can even use an ICHRA to pay for really innovative new benefits like membership-based primary care. And let me tell you, employees love getting free health care. I'll be telling you all about this incredible and affordable employee retention tool in a future episode that you don't want to miss. So if you care about your employees, hit that subscribe button right now. This new ICHRA approach to group health benefits will work for any business and every employee in sickness and in health. It's not like group health insurance that only pays if you're on your deathbed or flat broke from paying that high deductible. And giving your employees great health benefits is a genuine act of kindness that employees can't help but appreciate, which of course translates to greater loyalty and reduced turnover every time. Providing your employees with great, affordable health benefits is a wonderful way to utilize the power of reciprocity to reward employees and keep them on your team for a long time to come. This also seems like an appropriate time to thank our sponsor, Scoop Health, because when it comes to employees, nothing leads to feelings of reciprocity more than great health benefits. So, if you want happy employees, then check out scoophealth.com. And I'm not just a spokesperson, I'm also a customer of these great health benefits. And let me tell you, my employees love them, and it's half of what we were spending on traditional group health insurance. So check out Scoop Health and share this video with your fellow business owners because they have an employee retention problem too. The benefits experts over at SHRM have dubbed ICHRA the 401k of health benefits. And insurance brokers are scared silent because they can't very well go to their customers and say they no longer need group health insurance to provide really great ACA compliant employee health benefits for less money. And that is exactly why this is so very important for every business owner to find out about. This is a really big deal. It's a generational change in the way employers pay for employee health benefits today and in the future. Oh, and when it comes to reciprocity, if you haven't watched our episode about reciprocity, you should. Click on this link right here and learn how to use this wonderful little tool to help you grow a more valuable business. Click the link. Go ahead, do it now.